Okay, today I want to shoot a little video about salvage cars. This car was a salvage car. It was in an accident. Uh, it was rear-ended and they hit it on the front too. A lot of people freak out whenever they find these cars are all salvage. However, I want to show you we were able to repair the floor. Uh, this part had a wrinkle. We went ahead and ordered it from Ford. Uh, Also, I mean, not to burn bridges with anybody on junkyards, but I was able to find this part on the dealer cheaper than it was in a junkyard. Uh, so you need to do your homework, but you can contact a dealership and you can find the parts, and you'll be surprised that you will be paying less on the dealership than you would in a junkyard. And I know some people will say that it's impossible, but from experience, that's what happened on these. They wanted it about $800 for the part, for the floor, and I was able to get it from Ford brand new for about $350. So this is just an example. I've had experience these with many other parts, but I mean, I just wanted to share with you these.